What up, guys? Or good afternoon, guys. It is 3:23 p.m. here in the city of Columbus, Ohio. But how you guys doing, YouTube? It is your boy Joel, back at again with another quick video. But today's topic is people want to know how I do my little backfires, pop and bangs. It's not a tune. I'll save the secret stuff for later, but you know how they say actions speak louder than words. So we're gonna let the car warm up. As you can see, she is a bit cold. I just got her out the garage. We're letting this beast warm up, you know, to temperature. And the outside is not that good, but it could be worse, so we're gonna have to deal with it. The street is a bit wet, it's moisty because it just got done, you know, raining and all. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys how I do it. Other videos I've seen, people say leave the heater off. I do it with my heater on. You could also do it with your heater on or off. But for this take, we're leaving the heater on because I'm not trying to get cold in here. Other than that, man, let's start this video. We're gonna let her warm up, and for you guys, that would be like 2 seconds. For me, be more like 10. So let's do it. So yeah, here's some of the okay part of the neighborhood, but we're not here for that. Your boy's getting ready to fill up. I'm going to my Speedway because it's closer to me. Well, I got 2 gas stations nearby, Speedway or BP, but I'm just gonna stop at Speedway. And as you can see, I am less than a quarter of a tank. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. The GoPro might be able to catch it, but I am at a quarter, almost under a quarter of a tank. So we're gonna fill this baby up to full, let the transmission and everything get warm like I was saying. How's the lighting? I can't see because the angle I have the GoPro, I can't see the GoPro. I'll let you guys know, your boy is driving to the main downtown. This is where I'm going to film the backfires that sound like gunshots in this super loud Camaro. Those that know or don't know, this is a SS. It is a 5th gen Camaro, so it's a tank of a car, super heavy. So she's not fast, but she's not even slow. But again, I'm gonna say it, she's not fast because this is the 5th gen Camaro. They are a tank of a vehicle. They're nice, but they're so heavy. But no more talking. I'm going to start filming once I make it to the spot in downtown. All right, so we made it to the motherland. Here's downtown Columbus for you guys. Woo! Man, that's loud. What's that, boy? Look at that dog here staring. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully we don't get pulled over, and if we do, I mean, it's gonna make a better clickbait. But intentionally, what I'm saying is I don't want to get pulled over. So yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna stop the video because of the red light. We'll continue as soon as it turns green. Made it. We are in High Street. GoPro didn't catch that, that means I need to buy a new GoPro. Even though I do have to still. I need to upgrade to the 10. Thought about a new place to mount the GoPro. Instead of me having that's a better view. Y'all can see everything downtown. Alright, let me do it right here one time. I'm probably not gonna be doing it a lot because I'm not trying to get a ticket. That's badass. That's a good view for you guys. That is a perfect view, I hope. I mean, from here it looks pretty decent. I'm gonna do it one more little time and that's enough for the video, man. I feel, it's not like I'm scared or anything, but I feel like I'm definitely gonna get in trouble. And look at the boys right there. Talking about them, right there they is. So let's do it one last time. I need to that's gonna be the end of the video, guys, because I know I am grabbing a lot of attention in this yellow Camaro, loud ass Camaro, plus I'm two-stepping. Sounds like damn gunshots. But if you do like the video, please do your boy the favor, share this video, like it, and subscribe if you want to see more about the Camaro. Other than that, thank you guys for watching and show some love, man. I'm outies. Let me show you guys who I ran into. An old friend. Look at that thing clean, boy. Yes, sir. We just chopped it up a little bit. I told him I was on my way downtown, about to do some Uber and shit. I had to hit the flame tune for him, you feel me? Every time I downshift, they just shoot flames magically, so I had to. He was like, how you get it to do that? I'm like, let's get in touch. I'll do it for you, bro. That shit easy and simple. But before that, he had a, what was it, a 2-door charger, and he was doing some crazy donuts or whatever, and somebody smacked this shit. But yeah, other than that, man, it was cool chopping up with that man. I'm gonna show you guys his Instagram and everything for those who want to follow the man. Show him some love, tell him I sent you. That thing is hard. He just got that. He says he's been having it for 3 weeks and it's clean. For some reason, they got Hellcat wheels on it. I thought it was a Hellcat. It sounded good, but I did not hear it whine. So obviously it's not a Hellcat, but it's clean. I'm trying to get a clip of me showing you guys the car from close range, but all this traffic, I don't think it's gonna happen. He going crazy over there. There he is. sound good. It do. It does. Yes, sir. I see you. I see you. Enough. I'm not trying to get pulled over, so your boy is done.